Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with UpPromote affiliate tracking software, full guide step by step clearly. To start using UpPromote affiliate tracking software, visit the official UpPromote website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the appropriate field. Next, enter your name and any additional required information. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree to them, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click the Create Account or Register button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email. Open your email inbox and locate the email from UpPromote. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After verification, log into your UpPromote dashboard using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be greeted with an onboarding tutorial. Follow the prompts to set up your affiliate program. Configure your settings according to your business needs. Add payment options for affiliates in the appropriate section. Test the links to ensure they are functioning properly. Explore additional features available on the dashboard to enhance your affiliate program. Your UpPromote account is now fully set up and ready for use. Start inviting affiliates to join your program and begin tracking their performance. Monitor your affiliate metrics regularly for insights and improvements. With these steps, you are well on your way to successfully managing your affiliate program using UpPromote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.